Hello, my people. I am back again with my trading results in the morning. I have the part one. It is on my channel. You can check it. You know, when you see the part one, this is the part two. So I just try to check. The analysis I did, the trade I entered. At least you've seen some of my analysis that I entered for euro. For euro USD, you see, it will soon take my profit. My profit will soon be hit. I think maybe before I end the video, it will hit my profit. Therefore, GBP USDC, it's still going up. Yeah, it's still going up. It will still hit. I have this belief that it will still hit. You know, we're sitting at 565 dollar. So, which other one did I enter? Okay, this is another trade of USDT card. You can see it. It will soon hit profit. You can see it here. It will soon take the profit. Yeah. See this trade. You can see this chart after analyzing. After using my support and my resistance, you can see this one break my support. The trade broke my support. That is it is testing it, break and retest. That is a break and retest. So it now went to downside. You can see, although it's already a downtrend, so it's still going down. So still a downtrend, yeah. It's a downtrend from the beginning. So you can see this one for this USDT card, it will soon pick my profit. You can see, just see it. Bam, any moment before I end this video, I'm sure. So let's see for gold. Let's see what gold is saying. Yeah, you can see gold too. Gold too. Same thing. Gold too. It will soon pick my profit before the end of the trade. Okay, it still has a little bit long way to go. Yeah, so you can see it here. And which other one after go ahead? GBPJPY. Yeah, I entered. You can see this one also take the profit. The first I did TP1 and TP2. TP1 and TP2. You can see it will still pick my profit too. I am sure that this my analysis is gonna reach my take profit. We're sitting at $500. You can see, you know, so that's that. For AUD, USD, yeah, let's see. Let's check. It's a buy. I think it's a buy. Yeah. So it's playing fine too. Yeah. It's playing fine. You can see it's still a buy. It's still good. This is playing fine. All the trade are playing very beautiful. Very beautiful. I think those are the trades we have today. I had one, two, three, four, five. Yeah, five. One, two, one, two, three, four. Let's see, this is five, the same thing. One, six, six, and six, six. So you can see all of them are turning out perfectly. That's why I told you that once you are a professional and a profitable trader, you don't even need to say, okay, it's only one peer that can trade. Once you're good at trading, you can trade all the peers. You can trade all the peers. Once you're good with your technical analysis, you're good with the fundamental analysis, you're good with your price action, you understand, you know all those things, you're good with your uptrend, downtrend, you're good with your consolidation period time, you can trade using any pair, any currency. You can trade. So my part one, the first video is already up on my channel. You can check it so you can see. I'm sure some of these trades, if not because I want to end the video now, I want to just show you. I know any moment because I have all my take profit, and I'm sure, I'm positive on this trade that all my trade is gonna hit my take profit. I'm very sure all these trades it's gonna hit my take profit because I've done my analysis, I've done all the check, you know. So I'm sure, I'm sure it's gonna hit without any waste of time, you know, no any long time from now. It's gonna hit. Most of them will hit the take profit. So this one, you see, Euro USDT, very soon. See the chart. Very soon, it's gonna take the profit. You can see, you know, this one, GBP USDT. This one will take a little bit, well, but it's gonna hit. You know, if you look at looking at the structure, looking at the chart, you know, see all the structure of this chart, you will know that it's gonna hit definitely. So it's a no-brainer. So trading, I don't think there's anything difficult by God's grace. So this one, see this one, USDT cap. Clearly, this thing, like, see the chickly thing that is like, it's gonna hit. It's gonna really, really, it's forming a new candle. And this candle now, definitely, it's gonna hit. So, and my goal, so see, go, see, and it's still going up. Definitely, we're gonna take our profit for today. So I'm going to let the thing play. I don't want to say, okay, I'm cutting all my trades. No, I will let the thing do its thing. I'm allowing market to do its thing. As I've already analyzed, I've checked, it's going according to the way I've planned. Why not? I leave it. I let it play. I let it do its thing. See this one. I'm leaving it to do its thing. You know, for JP, JBP, JPY, it's taking time just as this JBP USD thing. You know, it will take a little bit. And there's something I noticed that let me let you know. Let me show my people, my subscribers, you know, the Euro USDT and JPP USDT. They behave alike. The charts behave alike. So let's see from here. Let me show you from here, from here, from here. See where this cursor is. You can see the thing as if it's a V shape. See it like this. The now came like this again. See move, boom. So see here, see for GBP USDT, the same thing. See from here, you can see the same thing like this. It still came down, went up. You can see you see we're sitting at 600. You can see we're sitting at $600. See, we're sitting at 600. Okay, it's fluctuating. Yeah, it has entered 600. It's fluctuating. So this trade has really played well. We've done analysis, and we are lucky that all the trade plays according to the way we analyze. It played, you know, the market did this thing. We analyzed, the thing is working perfectly. So why not? Why not? We started on $1,000. We are now sitting on $1,600. You know, so this is a good one. I think any moment, not less than up to an hour, sef. These trades, I know they'll all be close. See this one. I don't think this will take also 30 minutes. This trade will close. You know. I think this one. Okay. No, 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 no. This one. This one too. Any moment, it's gonna close. It's gonna close. This one. Any moment, this trade is gonna close. So you can all see. You see this one. Hey, see the way it's moving. This one will even close in our very before, in our very eyes here. You can see it's gonna close. It's gonna take its profit. See, just zoom in it for you to see. So it's a good one. It's a good one. Yeah, thank God. You know. So that's that for now. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till I come yet with another video. Thank you. Bye for now. If you have any questions, you know, you can put it on the comment section for me. I'll gladly answer your questions. Thank you so much, and bye for now.